Carbon monoxide. How to reduce the risk. Do you know what carbon monoxide is? A faulty gas appliance can release the poisonous gas, which is colourless, odourless, and tasteless. This can make it very difficult to detect. Even if you don't have any gas in your home, it's important to know that coal, wood, and fuel oil can also release carbon monoxide when burnt. When carbon monoxide is released, it can affect anyone. You need to know the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning so you can look out for them. They are headaches, dizziness, breathlessness, nausea, collapse, and loss of consciousness. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, open all available windows, leave your home, and seek urgent medical advice. How to reduce the risks. Make sure all gas appliances are installed correctly. And have a service annually by a gas-safe registered engineer. Make sure all the chimneys and flues are cleaned annually to prevent blockages and don't block any vents. Make sure you have carbon monoxide alarms in your home and test them regularly. If you don't have accessible carbon monoxide alarms in your home, contact us and we can help arrange one for you. Need support? Please email or send a BSL video to energy@royaldef.org.uk to arrange an appointment.